Welcome to Activities app. My name is Emily and today I'll be showing you how to add an activity. Begin by selecting the Add Activity button in the bottom right-hand corner of the landing page. Select your activity type. I'll be doing an in-person activity. Next, give your activity a name, then select your activity category. This will help us market your activity to our users. Set your age range to specify your demographic. Add an activity's description. You can check out our digital marketing blog series to boost your activity's promotability through copywriting tips. Fill out what your user will need to bring. Add any custom terms or optional comments. If you would like to personalize your COVID regulations to include more than the federal guidelines, you can do so here. Hit save and continue. Here you can upload images from your gallery to promote your activity. Crop to your satisfaction, then hit save and continue. On your main session page, you will be able to establish the location, date range, and hours of your activity. You can also input the price of a ticket and the number of spots available. When you are finished, hit publish. Your activity will then be reviewed by our team before being released for sales.